So the problem that Monty saw earlier that I didn't is something we should be always keeping in mind. We should always be keeping in mind, is there a Calc 1 solution? So when I see x to the 4, I've got to think x squared squared, because the derivative of x squared is right here. So this is not a natural thing for you to do. I'm trying to make it so. Always look to see if you can simplify the algebra. So if I now replace x squared with t, so let t equal x squared, then dt is 2x dx. Well, let's just say x dx and 1/2 dt. How's that? Okay, so we have now integral square root 1 minus t squared, and the x dx becomes a 1/2 dt. Well, so we didn't get away from a trigonometric substitution, but at least we can see what to do now. Shall we let t equal the sine theta? You know, you could let t equal cosine, but then it generates a minus sign, doesn't it? That's the only reason we keep choosing sine. dt is cos theta d theta. So we have 1/2 integral square root 1 minus sine squared theta, that is. dt is cosine theta d theta. So that's 1/2 integral cosine squared theta d theta. Since I have done nothing but make errors today, I'll stop and make sure that I multiplied cosine times cosine correctly. Do I have your approval? I can go on. So 1/4 the integral of 1 minus cosine 2 theta. Is that cool? I went ahead and pulled the 1/2 under here out in front. I'm so proud about pulling out the 1/2 divided with the 1/4. Theta plus 1/2 sine 2 theta plus an arbitrary constant, because there's no limits of integration, and now we're back with the lousy triangle. So sine theta is t. So t over 1 and square root 1 minus t squared. As usual, we come back to our original radical. But oh no, that does not help me with sine 2 theta, does it? Does it? No. Well, it does if you remember the double angle formula for the cosine. Right, that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. So the 2 and the 1/2 cancel, and you're left with just sine theta cosine theta. Those we can replace using the triangle. Not that we need it for the sine. So 1/4. Well, theta is the inverse sine of t. Sine theta is t. Cosine theta is square root 1 minus t squared. And I won't get caught by the same trap I laid for myself a bit ago. Don't forget, we actually have to go back one more variable. T is equal to x squared. So this is x squared. This is x squared. And this is x to the 4.